What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex. Now I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So before we do get into this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang, gang, gang. Hit it for me, can't stop. Hey, it won't stop. Hey, dun 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 dun. Hey, hit it dun. Hey, hit it dun. Hit it one more time. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. So for today's video is actually a very special video. Okay, don't play with me. Today's video is a collaboration video between me and my girl Life As Monae. Okay, so I'm going to link her channel down below. Okay, I'm going to link it below. Go over to Monae channel and show her some love, please and thank you. Like, please show her some love, because y'all really just sleep on us small YouTubers, or us small black content creators. But you know, it is what it is. We'll get our roses soon. Okay, so like I said, make sure you go over to Life As Monae's channel and show Monae some love. She does she is a booktuber among all else. Okay, she is a booktuber. If y'all don't know what that means, she reads books. Okay, she reads books. All right, and she'll give you a review on your book. So if you want something that's very like intellectual, her channel is the place to be. Also, she does makeup as well. So if you want somebody that's gonna look good while they're reading their book, her channel is the place to be. Okay, so like I said, today's video is a collaboration video, and we are doing a Pride Month collaboration. Okay, a Pride Month makeup look. So make sure you go to her channel and check out her video. But like I said, this is going to be a makeup video, so enough of the chit chat. Let's just get into all of this. Okay, let's just get into it. So without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. Alrighty, so per usual, I'm starting off with my eyes, and I'm going to set my base with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, and this is in the shade Fawn. So I'm gonna just stipple that into my eye. For today's palette, I'm using the Morphe 35B palette. So I like to pre-cut my crease. If any of y'all have seen my makeup videos, I pre-cut my crease just to get it, you know, cleaner. And I'm using my micellar water and a Q-tip. Some people use Vaseline, some people use Spirit Gum. It doesn't really matter. Just the whole technique of pre-cutting your crease just makes for a better crease. Alright, so I will be cutting this crease with my P. Louise base in the shade Blank Canvas. Just like I said, when you pre-cut your crease, you're kind of getting rid of all that extra makeup, and so you don't have to have layers upon layers, because honestly, it would have just been unnecessary for me to have that first layer on. And y'all probably would be thinking about that, and you should probably you didn't have to put it on. You do, because just to blend that out with the rest of the look, child. If you know, you know. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going in with this P. Louise base, and honestly, I use this base to really cut my crease every time I'm cutting my crease, because like the colors show up on this base so pigmented. Like, bro, like compare it to me using, for example, me using the shade yellow on just like my regular skin tone base. It doesn't show up as much, but when I'm using it on this P. Louise Blank Canvas base, it's very, very pigmented. Alright, so like I said, I'm using the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just using, you know, Roy G. Biv. If y'all don't know that, you need to go back to elementary school. Okay, so I'm going in with that red, packing that on, and then I'm going in with the orange, packing that on as well. Like I said, a whole lot of Roy G. Biv going on right now. So I wasn't really concerned with like making sure that things were blended firsthand. I was really concerned with packing on those colors, because once you go over a second time, that'll be kind of like your blending time, and you don't really necessarily have to blend. You just kind of want the colors to look like they're together. And sorry that my mirror is in the way. Like, the way I position this, I be like, I can't see y'all. I'm as blind as a bat. So I need every mirror I can use to just make sure I'm doing what I need to be doing. And then I liked how it looked like, I didn't really want it to look like super, I don't know, what's the word? Like, straightforward, if y'all get what I'm saying. Like, I just didn't really want it to look like, okay, like straight line of this, straight line of that. So I really liked how it kind of looked tie-dye-ish.
Perfect.
And so now I'm taking a Q-tip and then more of my micellar water to kind of create these like little indentations in between the colors. So Walmart has these really cute Q-tips that are kind of like pointed, like I guess they're like beauty Q-tips, especially for this. And they're like pointed at the end. They have some that are pointed at the end. They have some that are like kind of like flat. So y'all should definitely go check that out. Like, oh my gosh, when I seen it, I was so amazed. And that's what I'm using right now. And I feel like the pointier Q-tips kind of help you get in there more than like a regular round Q-tip would. And then I just went in with the clean side of the Q-tip and kind of, you know, was just trying to clean up that excess makeup. So now I'm going back in with that LA Girl Pro Concealer to just make the indentations more prominent. So now y'all can see why I went in with the LA Girl to begin with. It all makes sense. I promise everything just comes together for the greater good.
Perfect.
Like, bro, this was really a workout, so I'm not even gonna cap like it wasn't, because it was really a workout. I was stressed out. My neck was hurting, like, and I couldn't see for the love of me. I could not see. And honestly, I really hate doing like detailed eye looks, because it just never comes out the symmetry do not be there. They be asymmetrical. So I don't like that at all, but I'll never learn unless I try. So, you know, it is what it is. We aren't perfect. So that's why y'all kind of see me like twitching and moving and just like, you know, being in any type of angle I could get in, I just wanted to be able to show y'all what I'm doing here, okay? How this look was letting me have it, boy. So now I'm going in with a black, just like a black eyeshadow to kind of outline all those indentations. But yeah, that's really honestly basically it for this eye look. I did not record like doing my face because I have so many videos of me doing my whole face, and I really just wanted to focus on the eye look, because that's really all that we are here for, right? We're here for this eye look. So that's why I didn't record doing the rest of my face. And if you want to see how I do the rest of my face, you can literally just go to any of my other makeup videos, and baby, you'll see. Like, you will see. So, but yeah, I'm so proud of myself for this look. I was feeling it. Okay, yeah. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I really feel like I pushed the envelope with this look. I don't normally like, this was too much for me. I'm gonna be honest, this was too much for me, but I do feel like I definitely pulled it off. I got this look, this makeup look off Pinterest, and then I just kind of did like my own little twist to it or whatever. But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like button. That's the only way I'm gonna know, you know, reciprocate that energy, the energy that I'm giving to you, give it back to me in the form of a like and a subscribe and a comment. Okay, stop playing with me. But like I said, this is a collaborative video between me and Life As Monae. So after you're done watching this, okay, after you done subscribing here, make sure you go over to her channel and show her some love. Okay, show her some love. But yeah, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. And I'm out.